Hello everyone, today I want to talk about the solution to the modern challenge brought by COVID-19 to Chinese catering service industry. This page will utilize the most resource, systemic thinking, and efficient framework learned in the past course to purpose responsible and sustainable solutions. The purpose of this page is to analyze the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic in the fast food industry in China in 2025 and to give a suitable plan to serve the impact in line with Chinese station conditions and social background. KFC in the fast food industry is chosen as a context in this page. The reason is three. First, KFC is one of the most famous fast food companies in China. Secondly, KFC has strong personal mobility and a strong social contact, which is more successfully able to the impact in of COVID-19. Third, the company has become the subject of wide discussion during the epidemic and post-epidemic periods. The change in consumption behavior persists. During the pandemic, customers began to rely heavily on takeout and contactless wise, and this consumption habits has persisted even after the peak of the pandemic. The proportion of dining in many stores has not returned to the pre-pandemic level, where services such as delivery and drive-through remain in focus of groups. This picture is about the KFC from 2020 to 2024. It's about the total driven data. The pandemic has driven digital transformation, including self-service ordering machine, mobile app ordering, and partnerships with food delivery platforms. This remains a core component of KFC's operations in 2025, helping to mitigate risk caused by fluctuations in offline customer traffic. The second pursued solution is supply chain management. Supply chain management during the pandemic, global supply chains were disrupted with delivery in logistics, cross-border trade countries, and the shortages of raw materials being common. Effective supply chain management helped KFC predict risks in advance and optimize raw material inventory strategies. By maintaining close communication and coordination with suppliers, they were able to achieve stage supply of key raw materials. The most effective solution is option one, permanent digital transformation. Why choose that? Among various options, digital transformation was chosen because it can systematically and permanently solve problems, use them really alleviating symptoms. Why is plan feasible? Digital transformation is feasible in terms of technology, resources, and organization. How does digital transformation bridge the gap in the problem statement? Digitalization can make indicators that were previously difficult to measure become visible, and it can also automate processes that were previously scheduled in 8. Conclusion. Solution review during digital transformation problem review the current process is inefficient and decision making relies on expressions which first to meet is the organization's demand for highly efficient and data driven futures. Solution is after conducting such analysis we choosing to drive digital transformation to systematically narrow the gap between current stage and the future state. Realization of future state is through persistent automation and data-driven decision making. We mean to enhance efficient agility and customer orientation. This is is CC's and CTUNA ability, we attend importance to data preservation, employee retention, and resource efficiency. As a reference list. Thank you very much for listening.